In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WooCommerce mobile app for iOS and Android. By the end, your store will be ready to manage from the official WooCommerce mobile app, so you can check orders, track inventory, and get notifications right from your phone. This walkthrough assumes you already have a WordPress site with WooCommerce installed and that you can sign in as an administrator. If you're using a managed host, you may also see a few screens provided by your host, but the process is the same. Start by opening your WordPress website's dashboard in your browser. This is the admin area where you control your site. On the left-hand sidebar, look for plugins. Plugins extend your site's features, and in this case will add the connection that lets the WooCommerce app securely access your store. Click Plugins, then click Add New. You'll land on the plugin directory page with a search bar in the top right. In the search field, type Jetpack. You're looking for the official Jetpack plugin by Automatic, the company behind WordPress.com and WooCommerce. This is the connection layer that enables the mobile app to reach your store with modern modern secure APIs. When you find Jetpack, click Install Now. The download and installation may take a moment depending on your server speed. When the button changes, click Activate. Activation turns the plugin on so it can do its job. Once activated, Jetpack runs in the background to provide the secure link the WooCommerce app needs to communicate with your site. That's it. With Jetpack installed and activated, your WooCommerce store can now be accessed on mobile devices through the official WooCommerce app for iOS and Android. From here, you can open the app on your phone and sign in using the same site credentials associated with your store. The app will detect the connection provided by Jetpack and let you start managing orders, products, and key store activity on the go. A few tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you keep WordPress, WooCommerce, and Jetpack up to date to benefit from the latest security and performance improvements. If you don't see plugins in your dashboard, your user role may not have permission, so you'll need an administrator to handle installation. And if you run a caching or security plugin, it's a good idea to clear the cache after activation to ensure everything syncs cleanly. You've now enabled mobile access for your WooCommerce store using Jetpack. Enjoy the convenience of managing your business from anywhere with the WooCommerce app on iOS or Android.